Now you might be asking, how do I even find these keywords? I know I need them, you've convinced me of that, but how do I know what keywords are important for my business? And that we just want to know what the customers are actually searching for. We may have ideas, but we want to narrow this down to hear it right from our customers. So the first way you can find keywords are looking at your existing customers' communications. They've emailed you, they've called you, texted you. You may have a CRM with notes about what their problem or original message was. Look back on this. Start with 5 to 10 customers and see what they were saying to you. Using this language will be your first and best place to identify keywords. Start your list and keep track of all of the ideas that you come up with. The second way to find keywords is Google Autocomplete. This will give you the most popular options that are related to what you started to search on Google and what other people are actually searching. So if you go to Google search, just like this, let me show you. We're going to start searching for a random keyword. Once we start searching, don't click enter. You'll see this drop down of options that are similar to what you typed in. Using these ideas to expand your keyword list is awesome. Now you can continue to put in different keywords and see what else Google recommends. Now this information is recommended because it's searched so often. So these aren't just random keywords. They're going to be the most popular options. Once you do a search for your problem, your question, your solution, your service, whatever you decide as a keyword, put that in, press enter, and scroll down to people also ask. This is a section where you can find real questions people ask Google every day. If you start creating content on your website answering these real questions, you'll start being found when people search them. This is going to be a huge boost for your organic or SEO strategy because answering these questions builds credibility for your business within Google's eyes. And the last way that you can find new keywords is through customer reviews. This gives you a clue of what your audience says about you. I also suggest that you check out not just your reviews, but your competitors' reviews for ideas.